All right. Merry freaking Christmas. I bet you can't guess what we're doing. It's the boy, Santa Bird himself. We're going to be trying to do the Santa Bird. He's going to bring us wonderful presents. It's going to be great. Embrace a little bit of chaos, and hopefully we have a good game. I will take either of the Santa Birds. I would prefer the original Santa Bird, but Iron Bundle is fine. Just doesn't feel as Santa, you know? It's like what's the uh oh shoot. Tim Allen and the Santa Claus, the what was it, the third one? Second one? Where he makes the plastic Santa? That's what Iron Bundle is. Oh boy. Those are good movies. Uh Christmas Story was on today. That's a good movie. We always used to watch that like Christmas Eve. Like I would watch it on repeat from like 8 p.m. to 3 in the morning, you know, while you were decorating the tree and putting presents out and stuff like that. It's a good time. I think we're going to take the water here. Probably. Let me think about it for a second. I've thought about it and I think that's what we're doing. So, okay, cool. That's our ice. This is looking good. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can sell all this and hit 10. If my button will work, perfect. We could build a Soldu and put it on Pilliswine. Nah, it's okay. We wanna get our boxes. Unfortunately, we haven't seen any glasses yet. That kind of sucks. I want as many boxes as I can get, but that's not glasses. Oh man. None of this is glasses either. Jeez, y'all. What am I doing? What's going on? Why okay, well, you know what? That's fine. We'll do this. Get some money maybe. It sucks, man. I wanted me some boxes. It's okay. Hopefully we still get the one for our Santa bird. But that's okay. This is I don't know. I don't play ice. I played it maybe, well, other than today, I've been playing it quite a bit today to just try to understand it. But other than that, I think I played it maybe once, and that was before they buffed it, so I'm not entirely sure what it's going for. Seems like there's quite a bit that you want with it. So I'm not sure what you prioritize and what you don't. You know, like you want wall rain, do you want Mamoswine, do you want Empoleon? Are you supposed to go into dragon? Are you supposed to go into aquatic? Do you go to 8 as fast as you can so that way you get the extra damage from sheer cold? It's a lot of different stuff, and I'm not sure what's most optimal, but I think what I'm probably going to end up doing is like go to 6 and then kind of chill on 6 for a little while. Maybe get like Empoleon or Baxcalibur, and then go to 8 as best I can. That was good. Does this attack everything? Area around the target. Yeah, it sure fucking does. So that's like better Charmander. Maybe we could put this on that and be fine. Put like Pokédoll on it. Yeah, that could be good. But that, I mean, that would be like a, we'll do that for the Mamoswine showcase, you know? Like this is all about Delibird. Oh, so we have the chance at what, like 4 boxes? We'll probably hit 2 then, right? Hit at least 2. I would like to see Vulpix in the additional pick. That'd be nice. Yeah, I just realized that Vulpix was a mon because I thought it was um epic. So I was looking in here and I was like, oh, it's not here. Guess what? It's a blue. So I missed it quite a few times, but oh, spiritual successor to Iron Bundle is in. So that could be good. That's probably going to be in for us. So it's the thing though. It's like there's not a lot of like secondary synergies for ice, right? There's monster if you have like Sneasel. There's fairy if you have Vulpix. There's aquatic, there's flying, and there's water. That's pretty much it. And because you have to go to 8, like there's you can really only hit 2 on anything else. Maybe like 4 on monster if you go dragon. And then you run like a Bagon. I'm not sure if that math works out exactly like I think it does, but it should. I think that's 40. Yeah. I can do math. That's Snom. Well, we'll take the box. Be sad that we got a Snom. That is an ice type. So we'll go ahead and do this. We'll take the box, put the box on. For now, I guess it can just go on Mudkip because Mudkip's not staying. Oh boy. Yeah, and for the legendary, I think I want to play Articuno. I know that Kyurem's probably like the best one, but oh damn, not the flame orb on the fire type. That's crazy. Um I don't know. Articuno feels like giving the Delibird more of a chance, you know? Because well, like if it's not doing you know what I mean? Like if it's freezing everything and that's all it's doing, then how do I do this? I think I will do this. Yeah. Kind of weird, but yeah. So I think Articuno just freezing everything is like as a utility mon, so that way Delibird can do more damage. Um, it feels like that's what I want to do. So that's what I'm gonna do. And I swear to God, if I get another Regice, I'm gonna be mad. Oh my. Dynamax band from Piloswine? That could be cool. Rare Candy into Mega Abomasnow? No, it's Dynamax band. We'll put it on the Piloswine for now. That's fine. And then we can put it on... Oh, and glasses. And then we can put it on Abomasnow later. If I even get a nice portal. Please no. Thank you. Okay, well, we'll take that one. It's fine. So, what does he like to do? What does he like to be? We make him big. We make him real big. Nah, we're probably just gonna give him a present and then Fire Beam and a line, all enemy Pokemon hit, take special damage. Maybe inflicted with freeze. Maybe Aqua Egg. Is it, or not Aqua Egg, Lucky Egg. Is that what it wants us to do? I think that's what it wants us to do. Well, maybe we'll do that. Maybe we won't. We'll see. What did you get? Sacred Ash? Ew. Sacred Ash is gross, dude. Especially if the legendaries die first. Oh my god. Yeah. Hey, you know what though? That's not that bad. That was pretty good against Marshtomp and what's it called? That was pretty good. We'll take it. Absolutely we will take it. Could be Stardust. No. Let's go here. And then go to 6. We have 5 ice in. We need 1 more. Show me an ice type. Show me an ice type. That's an ice type. We got the present for Santa. Present for the Santa bird. Our lives are complete. Good money. Very nice, Santa bird. Very nice. I'm kind of sad that we didn't get the regular Santa bird, but like I said, we'll take whatever Santa bird we can get. So it is the Twisted Spoon if we can get it. Hopefully we get a heart scale later because I think it does want us to play. Ooh, monster. You're probably not staying, so I'm cool with just not. Are we in? We are not in Frigiback's territory. Okay, so that's kind of sucky. And you know what? I think that's better. Okay. Very nice. Sell, 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 sell. Oh, it's baby. That's perfect. So we're probably going to win that. Very nice. Good money. Solid. What are you doing? How are you winning? Just because of the Sacred Dash? Yeah. Wonder what he's going to end up going. Some kind of electric. Light, maybe? Electric light could be gross. Okay. I don't want any of this. There you go. There you are. We will go ahead and make a lucky egg if we get it. And then... I was thinking maybe we could go Shell Bell, but... I don't know. Ooh, Poiple. I love that lad. Very nice. Good stuff. Good round. Good round. Show me... Oh, damn it. That was a nice type. Granted, I have the future Delibird, so we got the wrong one. So it doesn't matter. I am going to keep Brawler in because of Snover. For sure, dude. Very nice. Very good. Solid gaming. Give us the money. Oh. Damn. Okay, show me glasses. That's not glasses. Or a heart scale. Damn you. It's okay. What are we looking for? Empoleon, probably. That's glasses. Go ahead and build another present. Who wants the present? Maybe you. Maybe I could give it to you. Or you. Actually, no, we'll put it on you. Because you're probably the one that's not going to stick around. You're aquatic. I think that's better than having you in. Is it better right now? Oh my god. Yes, please. Oh my god. What is happening? What the hell is happening? Do I just need to go to 7? That's so many dittos. Look at all these dittos. I can't even breathe. Okay, I am gonna get rid of you. You're gonna go, and then you're... Okay. Hmm. Dugong. We can put one on each end, and then we can... Bro, I don't know, man. We'll just give it to you. We'll give it to you for now. And I'll regret it later. This is fine on the ice cream cone, right? I've got like no room because I've got 3 dittos. Very nice round, everyone. Good job. This is so cool. Okay. I would love to have a heart scale. 2 chances. Or do I grab the glasses? Oh, man. I think I am going to take this. And I know we're embracing chaos, but I do want to have 3 items on Future Delibird. And I think that that's the item that I want. So unfortunately, I am passing up some glasses for the lucky egg. Okay. Okay. One more. Show me another one. I mean, fuck it. That's fine, right? Then we can go to 7. I'm okay with that. So then we have, oh, then we have, actually, buy that one. Because now what we're looking for, well, actually, we're just looking for whatever takes us to 8, right? And then we want the monster out of Snover, and we want the fairy. Do we have? No, we don't have a Alolan Vulpix. Did I skip out on a Alolan Vulpix? I'll be so upset with myself if I did. Okay. So what? So what? So what? So what? I really need to hit maybe Sneasel. We could play Monster. Well, no, I would drop Crabominable for Sneasel. Nobody's a grass type, right? Bro, you're still nothing? He's crazy. He's just going for the most expensive stuff. That's kind of nuts. Okay. I I mean it doesn't matter, right? Like, well, I could get Monster here. Do I want Monster here? Not really, actually. I honestly prefer having less synergies active, right? Because I want my ice portals. Yeah, okay. That's fine. And then we're looking for Hmm. Wait, he's not. Am I dumb? Yeah, he's additive. He's not regional. The other one's the regional one. Okay. So we are gonna have to keep Abominable. Is that a shiny charm? What is shiny charm even good on? Because like it makes it so you can't use your abilities, right? Gives protect. Protect makes it so you're untargetable and you can't use your abilities, right? Isn't that how that works? We'll look into it. Yeah. Oh, why do I keep getting the worst one? Absolute worst one. Um, man, that sucks. I'm 30 away. This is 3, 6, 9, 12, 14, 16. Is 4? Damn. That sucks. You know what? Shiny. Fuck it. Right? Yeah, I don't. Hmm. So, okay. So we didn't get Articuno, which kind of sucks. So we can't hit flying and monster, right? Well, we're gonna actually know we can because that would. Hmm. Yeah, because we could run. Okay, hang on. 3, 6, 9, 12, 22. Damn it. Is that worth it? I don't think so because we've got so much health. I think it's fine. And we just lost, so it's not like we're preserving a win streak because I wasn't paying attention. True, 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 true. Damn. Didn't I just fight you? Brother, what? Why do I gotta fight the same guy fucking twice? What is that? Okay, no boxes. We'll go ahead and try to grab the green orb here. Put it on wall rain. Could have done upgrade on Tornadus, but fuck that. Okay, there's a dragon. Now I'm gonna... Ice is in. Heals like this. No, like this. Oh shit. I shouldn't have sold the other one. I should have... Hmm. That's fine. So we do have Obama Snow if we see him, right? That's good. I still don't know what this dude is doing. This is crazy. Like, what's your plan? And how are you winning? Oh, is he going for strategist, but he doesn't understand that you have to have them active? Is that what he's doing? That sucks. Nobody told him. It's harder than that. Okay. So, fairy's probably not gonna happen, right? Flying might, and monster should. I think we just have to go to 9 as fast as we can to hit Snover, right? We can't just roll here for Snover at the 5%. But we're also looking for... Well, no, I don't think that's really an argument, right? Because it's only a 27% to hit a green, and that's all we're looking for is greens, right? Oh damn, we're at the bottom. They're killing us. They're killing us. Ghost. Yeah, no, it's literally just Snover. So I gotta hope. This is wild. Ooh. I mean, it's not because it's ice, but nah. It's stupid. It's really dumb. Please give me a box. More presents, please. I don't feel like I've gotten enough this Christmas. No. Take the upgrade, put it on Tornadoes, fuck it. And cool. Eight, 16, 19? See, we're 50 away. We're at the bottom, but let's see the dragon team. Yeah, perfect. Okay. I mean, Palkia kind of fucks. Fluffy Tail on Gyarados is unfortunate. But you know what? We stand tall. It does kind of suck that he's going for Sobble because I think I want to go for Sobble. But that's okay. So I'm 32 away. We beat him and he beat him. So I feel like we're in a decent spot. I do think we still lose to him, unfortunately. Would I swap? I think what I would do is I would swap Frigibax for Snover. And then, yeah, because, yeah, we're not going Dragon anyway, right? So there's no point in trying to get Excalibur, especially this late. Bro, how is it that you destroy him, but he destroys me? Damn. Oh my god, we got messed up. Maybe it's just placement. Yeah, but I can't, like, my brain doesn't work. I mean, it actually, Power Lens feels good. Power Lens on Walrein? Surely that's good. Take the purples. Take a different purple so I don't accidentally make a Tinkatuff. And then put this on you. Oh boy. Like this. They're all up here, right? So I want line and then well, maybe I want you over here then. No, I want one on each side just in case. Well, this will still shoot straight up, right? We'll see. We beat him last time, so we'll see if he beats us this time. Looks like our green orb's not really doing anything. Palkia really messes that up. But it looks like we got him. Yeah, it seems fine. Very nice. Very solid. We are doing really well. I'm kind of shocked, honestly. I was not expecting this to go that well. Unfortunately, we only got 2 presents so far, but I mean, come on. This is doing really decent. You know what I would do though is I would I need to sell you. That's the problem. Is there another ice flying type that's not? No. Nope. That sucks. We didn't get Delibird, so we can't hit flying with that. Hey, look at that. Perfect. And now we just need Snover. We just need Snover. We just need Snover. Damn. Okay. Fairy in. Box on Fairy for now. We're looking, okay, so Snover's gonna replace you. And then Sobble's replacing you. And then probably like Snowrunt. Oh god. I really need him to knock out him. Like bad. Because he messes me up. It's getting closer though. So once we find Abomasnow, we might be okay. That is not an Abomasnow. That is not an Abomasnow. That is not an Abomasnow. Okay, not an Abomasnow. Well, that sucks. A lot. I mean... Okay. So we got it. Hopefully we win this round. It is against the team that we usually beat. Oh god, did I choke? Please don't tell me I choked. I'll be so sad. I need this Abomasnow in my life. Please. Don't tell me I choked at the last minute. Okay, good. Thank God. Good job, good job. Okay, put you in, take you out, make you big. Okay, fuck it. Yeah, sure, fine. Whatever. And then big boy. And then can I find a Sobble, please? Be nice. There he is. That's the team. That's it. That's all we can do. They're moving me a lot here with that aquatic. Stop it, please. Yeah, I think the monster, it just, especially with Dynamax band, like, yeah, okay, good shit. Honestly, I'm fine with any outcome here. This is really cool. What would I want? What would I want? I guess just another ice type that could swap the Frigibax. And it would be Frostlass, right? That'd be it. That'd be all I want. Another box. I would like another box, please. That would be sick. Please. Damn it. That sucks. Do you know what? Nah, we'll give it to you. Make some people burn. Take you out to the ball game. No. I don't think he's the one I would want in. Uh-oh. He's got Altaria. Altaria is a problem. Oh boy. He got me this time, it looks like. Oh man, good game. Good game though. That was really cool. We got three three presents. We'll take it. I'm just too slow at the end game. I probably could have eked it out there, but like I'm just too slow. I think too hard about things. So, yeah, that was honestly pretty cool. I do wish we could have had the you know, regular Delibird, but I'll accept Iron Bundle, and like I said, Iron Bundle is just better. So maybe maybe it's better that we finished with him. But look at that Iron Bundle in the 2 top slots. That's awesome. I love that. So yeah, Merry Christmas and on to the next one.